Ollie, we are back and we have Christmas rice here. Brother, I hear you put sorrel in this.
Yeah,
That's true?
yeah, because I like sorrel.
So, how you come up with this?
Well, it's Christmas, and I figured, to put a twist on things, I
Yeah.
decided to use sorrel in my rice, of course, with slivered almonds, green peas to give it that Christmas look, raisins, and pimento peppers and all that stuff. So I would like you to dig in and tell me what you think about this Christmas
Yeah,
rice.
say less, say
Right?
less, say less. Yeah, man. So how you apply the sorrel?
You cut the petals up very fine, along with the onions and garlic and all that stuff. Saute everything first, then you add your rice, and it just get this beautiful looking, rich, festive looking color.
Yeah, I love it.
And yeah, to me it tastes like Christmas.
So no meat, no meat.
No meat.
No meat.
No.
But you
Of
can
course
do a
we use
meat
chicken
option.
stock.
Oh.
We use chicken stock, but there's no meat. Well, with a Christmas rice like this, I think we need to do a Christmas cocktail. How about that? I don't know.
Brother, I have just the thing,
Eh?
Yeah. I have a dessert style cocktail for you. You know what I mean? Finish it off with something nice.
Nice.
So, I'm gonna be using Real. You ever heard of Real by chance?
Never.
So just like you would say Real Madrid instead of Real Madrid. Real,
Okay.
right? So this is actually a premium range of syrups and is the premium to finest qual that I used before to make the Blue Daydream, which is the blue curacao.
Okay,
Right?
gotcha.
So we have
So would you say that is something similar to what you made earlier in when you made that first cocktail with the orange and the how you call it?
the blue curacao?
No, the other thing that you made. I can't remember the name.
Or the Blue Daydream that I
No,
made. We
the
made it.
ole something.
Oleo Sakura.
Ole sakaram.
No, I wouldn't say that. This is more processed. What I did was handcrafted.
Okay, gotcha.
Right?
All right.
So, and I actually have a coconut cream version of it. This is one of the best coconut creams actually.
Okay.
Right? I love to use this in for a pina colada.
Where do you get this stuff? 'Cause I
Well,
don't see
locally you can get it from A.S. Bryden's,
that. Okay.
right? And it pairs well with Johnnie. So that we get is a
let's
nice
get into
short
it.
cocktail. So I'm gonna start with the pumpkin puree. And this reminds me of Christmas, right? So I go in with 2 ounces, because we're making 2 drinks. And this actually has a pumpkin spice mix.
Can I?
Yeah, of course. So normally
Ooh.
for pumpkin spice, you would have cinnamon, you would have nutmeg, you would have a clove, you would have a little ginger in there, right? So
That smells like Christmas actually.
yes, it's amazing. And this is the coconut cream. Some people call it cream of coconut, right?
Right.
And on top of that, we're gonna be adding this Johnnie Walker. This is one of my favorite scotch to make cocktails because it's light, right? It's flavorful and have those subtle smoky notes. And I love smoky notes. And that's it. That's our
it?
drink right there, yeah. Add ice to this.
And this is called
This one is called Pumpkin and Spice and Everything Nice. Yeah? Yeah, that's what you need. I ice up my glasses. So, what is very important is a nice chill glass.
that's why I'm chilling my glass.
Yeah. Right? Let me add a little more ice for you. Nice. So I'll go and shake this.
You shake while I chill. Shaking that like a shack
Yeah,
shack.
man. Hey, brother, next time you come on the show, you have to bring your quattro.
Bring him a quattro.
Yeah,
And we'll
you
have
tell them a little
session.
chutney parang.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just
Take
gonna.
out the ice, or you leave it
No,
like
no,
that?
no.
Oh, okay.
No, this drink is
Alright.
served over ice.
Okay.
Yeah. All the flavors are kind of thick,
Right.
as we would say.
So you need
And
the
also
ice
you
to
need the
kinda-
ice to further dilute it,
Gotcha.
right? As you're sipping on it.
Looks interesting.
It's delicious as is. And I have a little spice mix here. So this actually has cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove, grounded
Okay.
clove. Right? But just a little bit. And there we go. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Right?
There we go.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Yeah, man. So I want to thank you for being on the show.
Thank me after I drink. Wow.
You didn't expect that?
No.
Yeah. This scotch just makes some nice cocktails. Yeah.
I would have never thought about it, but I've learned something new, so I don't need to come to the bar anymore. I can still make my own cocktails.
And that is exactly what we're encouraging you guys at home to do. Try some of these cocktails. Simple cocktails, and you could be your own mix